Hello, hello, and welcome to episode 79 of Satisfactory. First thing first is I got most places hooked up with the secondary rail. Probably took me 3 hours. I just finished it, actually. This is the loop over here. This is just a rough loop for now because it's going to extend further. I don't actually have a train running on it. I need to program the stations a little bit, and I'm probably going to reorganize some of how the stations are set up a little bit. So that's why I haven't got the train running. So things are just getting loaded up into here. Just, yeah, I am running out of that actually. So we're going to take that. This place doesn't make a lot of reinforced encased frames or whatever they are. The level 2 frames. And that's because I don't have a steady supply of regular modular frames coming in. They come in, usually I just like bring a huge load and then I drop them off and it's whatever. It's a little annoying. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look quickly. I built a MAM out there, but we're gonna build another one in here. Have no new hard drives. So we're gonna look at how to make these more efficiently. I got the steel frames that I could do. Actually, is there another recipe for the heavier ones? 1 second. That still needs those. I don't really want to change the other ingredients. I just want to change that ingredient. So I still want steel pipes, encased frames, and screws. Pipes, frames, and screws. This one takes rubber instead of pipes, which is a no-go. Here's another one. Pipes, frames, and concrete. Yeah. So it's the frames that I want to change. The frames are just a hassle. Modular frames. And it's because they take like a lot of steps to make, right? That's these that take a lot of steps. The stitched iron plates could be useful. Might be an easier way to do it. Do we have another way to make iron plates? With screws instead of with... Oh, I guess this is just a more efficient recipe. Oh, it's 3 times faster. But it requires a lot more screws. And screws are just such an annoyance. And this is the only other recipe. So I guess if we can make the stitched iron plates, that might be useful. So that's what we're going to do for today. I just want to get this system automated because it's not fully automated and contained in this area. So first of all, do I have any copper nearby? Copper. That's what I need. Yes, I do. Not far away, actually. That's pretty good. It's right over here somewhere. Oh, I'm going to run out. Right there. Okay, that's close. And then I have enough iron coming in. So let me see. If we delete this, and we delete this, we're going to build another little building over here. But I want them to be on the same grid. Just it'll make it easier for everything to line up later on. There we go. Shouldn't be too difficult to make this. We we at least now know they're on the same grid. Oh, I don't want to delete that one. Perfect. Fill this in. There we go. I actually forgot to double check how many I needed. If we go here to the modular frames, heavy modular frames, I'm using this recipe, so I need it doesn't tell you how many it consumes per minute, does it? Okay, so 1 second, we'll build a manufacturer here. Manufacturer. We do this, I need 10 per minute. Okay. So I need assemblers for this step. And if we go with the modular frame, I need 10 per minute. So I need 5 of these. I do have an iron node close, right? Yeah, just over there. Okay, it's not going to be too hard to get all the resources here, which is good. Sorry, so I need 5 of these, which means I need reinforced iron plates at a rate of 15, right? 3 by 5? Yeah. So I need 15 iron plates. Actually, I needed the assembler for that. Alternate stitch plates. I need a rate of 50. Jeez, that is stupid. Okay, we're going to go here just for a rate of 5. Oh, sorry. That is stupid. Those numbers are stupid. One second. Is that the only recipe I have? 1 second. That. The bolted iron plates, right. Oh, that gives me a rate of 15 per minute. That's exactly what I need. Screws. I want to avoid screws. That's the whole thing. I want to avoid the screws because they just... Yeah, that's the other recipe I have. It's just the screws are an extra step. I was trying to eliminate the screws. So I guess we're still going to go with this. We're trying to figure out these numbers. Okay, what if I set this to max again? Sure. We go 1 of these, 2 of them, and 3. Actually, you know what? Sorry. We're going to start on the end and work our way through the system. We're going to go here. We're going to go up again. Okay, so the manufacturer needs how many again? For the heavy modular frames, it needs 10 per minute. 10 modular frames per minute, okay. So we go assembler. And I need 10 per minute of the modular frames, so I need 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5. Awesome, they're all the same. And these guys are all going to output pretty much to here. is not centered. Okay, 1 second here. Sure. 8, I need a merger. That can go here. Yeah. We're gonna go like that. And like that. And then I need a merger. Nope. I need it on the belt. There we go. And there we go. Like that. So now that is that all dealt with. The iron rods will be easier to deal with next. There we go. And we're going to delete this as well. And we're going to replace it with a 1 meter. There we go. And then we can go here to logistics. I did unlock a few new things. I'm just trying to see what I unlocked. I unlocked the conveyor wall hole, and I unlocked some more decorative stuff. The inverted ramps. There's a new roll-up gate. I think this is new. And then I unlocked some more foundation pieces, I think. Maybe not. Just for work on that. I also unlocked the paint. So I was making things look a little fancy. The Caterium finish, but we're not going to be using that. For this is still going to be the plain old red and black. But I thought the return line would look nice being in gold. Anyway, sorry, sidetracked. Organization. Nope, sorry. Transport. Nope. Logistics. That's what I need. Conveyor lift hole. So we're going to go here. Nope. Here. Damn it. Quit it. That goes there. That one there. And that there. Yep. Yep. We'll just fill that gap in with this. There we go. Hopefully this one over here doesn't have any problems. Come on. So we're just going to go all the way out to here. And then to here. And get rid of that. I put this too close, didn't I? Oh, no, that works. Awesome. Perfect. And that is for the iron rods, so I need 12 times 5, which is a fair bit. 60. Okay, that's not too bad, actually. Grab that. I need 60 per minute, which means I need 3 of these guys. Right? No, I need 4. So, the iron's going to come in from over there. So I'm going to try and squeeze them all. Yep. I'll try and squeeze them all in right like this. Like this? That'll work. 1, 2. I need a little more space. 3. Need another bit of space there. 4. There we go. Can I get a power pole over here, please, maybe? I'd appreciate that. There we go. So we're going to go like that. And like that. Merge. And then merge again and merge again. Perfect. Horse go figure it gets dark again. Do I have any lights that I can build? Organization, maybe. Awesome, I can't. Floodlight, it should be on. It's not that bright, is it? No idea. Oh, I know what I want. Yeah, the wall-mounted ones. I think that'll give me the power that I'm looking for. Where's that pole? Where are ya? Organization, wall mounted. There we go. I don't know. It's not great. I do wish they had better lights. But oh well. How much? I need iron rods, right? Okay, I need 60 iron ingots per minute. We go production, we go the smelter. Where is this? There we go, line that up. copper ingots. That gives me out 30 per minute. Right. Number 3, we're just gonna feed that in there. Number 8, grab a merger. Unfortunately, that goes there. There we go. And we grab this. Splitter. That can go there. That can go there. And then I need to remember where that was. Iron. It's over here, right. I only need 60 iron, so a normal node will do the trick. Gotta get this out of the way first. And we can just grab a workshop here. Portable miner. I might actually only need a tier 1 miner for this. Production. Yeah. Miner Mach 1. Number 6, we're just going to go wall here. And then we're going to go logistics, and we're going to get the wall hole, which I love. I haven't actually used it, but I know I'm going to love it. Look at that. You can't tell me that's not amazing. Here, light. Interesting. You can definitely tell it's not one of the original ones, like the pre-made ones, but that's fine. Conveyor lift 1. Let's go for curve. Awesome. And we go like that, and like that. Now we can go power, we can grab a double wall outlet. There we go. So this is all as compact into the side as I can make it. What do I need next? I need reinforced iron plates. So we're going to go like this. Is that going to let me cover it? It will, just barely. But I will take it. How do I make these again? Do I need reinforced iron plates? Come on. I need regular iron plates though. So we're going to go reinforced iron plates. Each one needs 3 per minute. How much does this make? You know what might be easier? If we go... What if I just say, hey, make 3? Oh, that makes the numbers amazing. Yes, please. So we're just going to go here. I am missing reinforced iron plates. That is funny. I'm gonna have to make some here. Actually, I have a mam. I've got a bunch of mams laying around, I know. Yeah, there's one. And I think there's one in here. Did I put one in here somewhere? Maybe not. Make sure I don't miss it. Okay. Well, that gave me a few. It's enough for one. Go here, go to the crafting bench. Reinforced iron plates. Let's get 20 of these maybe. I'm hoping 20 will be enough. Do 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 do. $19, $20. Okay. And I can't put it there because of the rock. So if we just delete all these. Yeah, I deleted that as well. My bad. There we go. Try that. I'm going to try and get this as far forward as possible. What is that doing? Why do I think it's doing something weird? Because it is. Why did I see it right there? I'm fine with that. 2, 3, 4. I'm missing one plate. Go here. Go there. Reinforced iron plate. Give me one of these. Okay. And if we put a merger there. And I should be able to go with a straight. And then I should be able to put mergers in. Oh, wait, no. That's not what we're doing. These all feed directly into one another. Forgot about that. So these all need to be at 3. I need to go here. Stitched. 3 per minute. we go. That does the trick. Now for this, I need to get the iron plates and the wire. So I need 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 iron plates per minute. We're going to do the iron plates down below, I think, as well. I'm going to do the iron plates below or the copper down below. We'll do the iron plates down below. Keep all the iron down here. Grab one of these quickly. Go here. I need 2 of these just so I see. And 2. I want to make iron plates. This makes 20 per minute, so I need 3 of these. So I need 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get these all prepped so we know how my spacing looks. Okay. Well, that's fun. So, 1 second here. Nope. I would like to have you... 1 second, I need to figure this out. I'm gonna have it come down here. So here... Nope. Okay, so we're gonna go like... come on, stop it. Like that. And then we're just gonna be here, right? Here? No, we're gonna bring it out over here. There we go. There we go. It's a little bit wonky, but oh well. I need 3 of these guys now. So we're gonna go 1, 2, and 3. You're gonna go here. And you're just gonna make 10. Ta-da, look at that. We're gonna go here, like so. Nope, we're gonna bring it down to over here. Now I'm gonna bring it up to there. Can I connect this? Awesome. And we're gonna go here, and we're gonna go for a splitter. And it's gonna come down to the farthest one away. I'm gonna splitter there, splitter there, splitter there. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. I got all 3 of these guys. How much do I need? I need 30, 60, 75. I need 75 of this stuff. We're gonna go out again. Are we just gonna put one in front of each? That'll probably save some space. So you make 30, right? You need 30. That works, that works. This one needs 15. 15, there we go. Okay, grab that. And we're just gonna do this. Now, obviously this needs to be 75 compatible. So it needs to be Mach 2. So I need 6, 27. I need a lot. Crafting bench. Grab this guy. I need 33. Which is painful. It's a lot. There we go. Upgrade that, upgrade that. So we got 75 plus another 60. 75 plus 60. 135. And I'm pretty sure tier 2s only deal with 120. Right? Yeah. So I need level 3 belts. That's a level 3 belt. That's a level 3 belt. That's a level 3 belt. Now I also need to be producing 135. Only producing 60. So, special equipment workshop. I need 2 more portable miners. 1, 2. Okay. That'll deal with all of that. Which means now all my iron should be functional. Once I power it up, of course. We're gonna go here. Here, and I'll just go around all of it. Go there. And there. There we go. So, now I need to get enough copper wire. I need 20 copper wire. I'm gonna need more of these guys. Yeah. Reinforced plates. Reinforced plates. Or sorry, no, I need wire. We're gonna go copper because that's what I was planning for. 30 wire. So I need 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. I need 120, so I need 4 of these guys, so I need 6 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got enough for 4, yeah. Okay, so you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna line you up there, and you up there. Right, this makes 30. Right, 30 per minute. This makes 30 per minute. Which is a sum total of 60. So that's enough to service both of those. And then I need 30 more. Or sorry, no, I need 40 more. Yeah. So we're just going to do that and that. Okay. You just need to be down to 20. And you need to be down to 20. Yep. Did I really not line that one up properly? Okay, 1 second. So we put a merger in there. And we put a splitter there. And a splitter there. There we go. Okay. I do need half foundations. Just so I can get all the ingots in properly. So how many ingots do I need? 15, 30, 40, 50 ingots. Smelter makes 30, right? Yes. So we're gonna go... One second, I want to make sure I have enough space for some conveyor belt space. You know what, we'll put it here because this just lets me visualize better. Actually, you know what, this might work perfectly. If we go into there like this, we put a splitter. Can I fit one in there? Close enough. There we go. Because that makes 30. If I select the right recipe. And these guys only need 15. And then we're just going to line this guy up here. Change that into a splitter. Come on. No, right, I'm in hologram mode. That's right. Okay, whatever. No, I built this the wrong way. There we go. There we go. Nope. There we go. There we go. We grab some walls here. Put that there. Go logistics. Conveyor wall hole can go right there. Grab a splitter. And we go like that. So, how much copper do I need? I need 60. Awesome. Special equipment workshop. I just need one portable miner. And we can go here to production. Nope, I need to blow stuff up first. Did that really not blow it up? I thought that would have just obliterated it. But oh well. Is this a pure node? Oh, it's normal. Hi. Nice somersault. Miner. Here we go. We're gonna go logistics, elevator. There we go. So now I need to get this all powered up, and it should run smoothly. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you have a great week. And I look forward to seeing you next week. Till then, peace out. Bye.